Hello and welcome into this first lesson or first experience in this course. Today we will take an example on simple on-off switch that will light a LED for us, and we will see how to do this in 2D and 3D. First, let's go and create new project. This is our main, file new. This is our main area. Now we need to go to the parts library and the electronics library. Let's drag regular or rectangular PCB space. Let's increase its size so that we can see our items. Okay, now let's go to analog items and let's start by adding a switch. Okay, as you can see, this is our switch, and this is the same switch in the 3D library. We want passive component, a resistor. Okay, this is our resistor. Let's place it here, and let's place it here. Then let's see, we want a light emitting diode or a buzzer. Okay, I'll choose a light. Let's red LED. This is our output. Now that we added these items in the 2D simulation, let's change this item value. Okay, now to connect these items to each other, we must go to each of these items and put the mouse arrow above it. As you can see, there is two boxes here and here. Once you click on one of these boxes, it will turn to black. This means that you did that right. Then left click on the mouse. As you can see, this is our wire, and go to the next, as you can see here, to the next point. Now we added a switch and a light emitting diode or a LED and a resistor. We need a battery. Let's see, we want a battery. Let's look at these power supplies. This is our battery. As you can see, this is straightforward. This is our battery. Let's place it here, and that's it. Let's remove or rotate this resistor and add this here. Let's remove this wire and rotate this resistor. Now let's start by connecting the LED without a resistor to see what will happen. If we connected these items to each other, as you can see, this is the positive terminal and this is the negative, so it won't light, it will be reverse biased. We will modify that in seconds. Now let's add these items here, here, and here. Okay, now if we click here, as you can see, when you click here, the switch in the simulation is also clicked, but nothing did happen since the diode is reverse biased. Let's rotate that diode. Okay, now it's forward biased. Now let's click that switch. As you can see, let's look at what happened here. In this very simple area, let's fix the damaged parts. Now if we click here, 9 volts will go through this LED, so it will explode. Let's see. As you can see, it did explode, and it's telling you why. Exploded part, the peak current was 9.58 kilo ampere or k ampere. The maximum rating is 30 milliampere. If you click here, it will fix the lid, and it's telling you the very same problem here. Okay, let's fix these two items. Okay, let's turn off the switch so that will stop exploding. Now we did that in the 2D simulation area. Okay, now let's create tracks in this simple simulation. You can create tracks by simply going to the create tracks and place components icon here, then click quick. It will add components and create tracks. If you click OK, as you can see, these are the components. If we rotate the PCB, we will see that there is tracks here and our PCB is ready to be used. Now let's go back to this circuit and let's do the simulation again. As you can see, it did explode. Now let's fix our circuit, this circuit. In order to fix it, we need to add a resistor here. Okay, let's drag that item and add that resistor. Change the resistor value to 200 ohm, not kilo ohm, and change the voltage to 5 volts. Now if we click here, as you can see, the LED will light up. There is no problem since we reduced the amount of volt and added a resistor to protect that LED. If we looked at this 3D simulation, as you can see, when I click the switch, the LED will turn on. So this is our first 3D simulation and our first PCB that was created in a really fast manner. Now, since we added a resistor, we need to rewire the components, then click OK. If we did, as you can see now, the resistor is connected before accessing the switch, and this is our main PCB. I think that this is a very nice way to learn electronics. Thanks for watching. This was our first example. We will move to more advanced example next. This is Education Engineering Team, and hope you liked this lesson.